Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Steph.
I'm Katie.
And this is Theo. We're a married lesbian couple from Vancouver, Canada, and the creators of Let's See the World.
For today's video, we are talking about our experience with medical skincare. We had the opportunity earlier this year to work with a medical skincare clinic in the Vancouver area, and we had such a great experience that we wanted to share about it.
Since we're normally traveling so much, but we were home this whole past year, we thought it was a great opportunity and a great time to address some of our skincare concerns. We also had the opportunity to be able to attend appointments consistently, which was a bonus.
For these past 4 months, we've been working with MD Cosmetic and Laser Clinic, which is a company that's been around for almost 20 years now. They have 2 locations, one in Abbotsford, BC, and one in Port Moody, which is where we went. It's about 30 minutes from downtown where we live, and we had such a great experience with them.
The thing that really differentiates a medical skincare clinic is the fact that you're working with doctors and medical professionals.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of misconceptions about medical skincare clinics in that they just do like Botox and injectables and they just try and like upsell you on stuff that you don't need, but they really help to address skincare concerns, and you are dealing with medical doctors and medical estheticians, and it's not the same as just going like to a spa and getting a facial. There's so much more expertise involved, and we've learned so much about our skin. We've had such a great experience.
When we went in for our consultations, the main concern that I had with my skin was the texture. So I struggled with acne a lot when I was younger, as many people do, and as a result of that, the texture of my skin is not quite what I wanted it to be. So that was the biggest concern for me, and that's what I discussed with them at the consultation. Because the main thing I wanted to tackle was my acne scarring, they recommended a procedure called microneedling. So that really helps with overall skin texture, acne scarring, and enlarged pores. I did 3 treatments of microneedling 4 weeks apart, and even after the first treatment, I noticed a big improvement in my skin texture.
I noticed it too. Even after the first one, your skin was just so much smoother and a lot of your acne scarring was gone. I couldn't believe what a big difference it made.
The treatment itself was super comfortable. They applied numbing cream on my face beforehand, so it really was painless. It just felt a little bit funny and tickly at times, but there was really no pain. My medical esthetician was amazing. She was so knowledgeable and explained the whole process as we were going along. She made sure I was really comfortable and was really focused on giving me the best results possible.
The actual procedure of microneedling was really cool. I got to watch all of Steph's appointments, which was really neat. Basically, the esthetician described it as like aerating a lawn. So she has a microneedling pen that she basically takes along Steph's skin, and it's a needle that's essentially poking a bunch of tiny holes in her skin. The numbing cream made sure that Steph was comfortable because like it looked like it would be really painful, right, but you were totally comfortable, which was great.
I mean, most of the time I couldn't really feel it, and anytime I did feel anything, like I said, I was a little bit ticklish maybe, but otherwise it was painless.
Yeah.
There is a little bit of aftercare with microneedling. So basically after the procedure was complete, it felt like I had a sunburn, and that lasted, about 2 days. But they gave me products to put on to make sure my skin was hydrated, and it took care of things, and the healing process was really smooth.
Yeah, it didn't seem that bad at all. I'd say like downtime could range from 1 to 3 days depending on how red you get, but especially right now we're really not going anywhere, and when we are, we're wearing masks, so it's such a good time to be getting skin treatments done.
The results from my 3 treatments have been awesome. I've definitely noticed my pores are smaller and the texture of my skin is much better. I had acne scarring before that has definitely gone down, and I'm really, really happy with it.
Yeah, I think Steph's results are amazing. I've noticed that you just feel more confident in your skin, which is so great. And it's just so cool to see the difference that those treatments made.
Microneedling is understandably one of the clinic's most popular procedures, and it helps to treat so many different things, and overall it's just so great for your skin. Because the texture of my skin has greatly improved and a lot of the redness has come down, one of the things I've noticed is a bit of melasma, especially in my cheeks. And so that's kind of the next concern that I'm addressing. I have some really great products that I'm going to start using. My esthetician recommended an at-home skincare routine for the melasma and gave me Zoe Skin Health Pigment Control Cream for it. I'm really looking forward to seeing the results from the at-home skincare routine, and it's so nice to be on a skin journey with a clinic that I really trust.
For me, my biggest skincare concern has really been evening out my skin tone. Because I'm so fair, I have a lot of redness that's really visible that I've become a bit self-conscious about. So I didn't actually realize that that redness is rosacea, which is a condition that I have. And again, just being able to go to a clinic and talk to people who can arm me with information has been so important, because I've been to lots of spas and had lots of facials over the years, and no one has ever told me that I have rosacea. So it was so great to just get an expert opinion so they could really form a treatment plan around my skin. I really wanted to treat the redness in my skin, and the breakouts that I get, which I thought were just regular breakouts, but they're actually rosacea flare-ups. So for me, my esthetician recommended IPL photofacial treatments, which is essentially a laser treatment for your skin. IPL treatments are also a really popular treatment at the clinic. They're great for treating sun damage, rosacea, brown spots, just evening out skin tone. So I was excited to do it. I knew that it was probably going to be a little bit more painful than Steph's because I wasn't numb. Although I did try the numbing cream once and it didn't really help. It was still a bit painful. But if you've ever had laser hair removal, it feels just like that. It's kind of like the snapping of a rubber band on your skin. It's totally manageable, and I got through it fine. I would absolutely do it again, and I really, really love my results. So just surface level redness, which is what we were treating for me, is kind of one of the most difficult things to treat, but I really did see some great results. I did 3 IPL treatments 2 weeks apart, and there's really no downtime. My skin felt a bit tight and sensitive the next day, but I could keep going with my regular skincare routine. Didn't have to take any time off with that. And again, because we're not really going anywhere right now and we're wearing masks when we're out, it just felt like such a good time to get these treatments done. The appointments themselves were probably 20 minutes long. I had little goggles to protect my eyes, and then my esthetician basically has a laser machine that she's going over my skin with. And like I said, there is a bit of pain. I did try numbing cream, I think the second time or maybe the last time. It didn't make that much of a difference because that really only numbs the surface of your skin, and the laser is really penetrating the skin. So I'd say don't bother with that and just grin and bear it. My esthetician did such a good job of just going slow and talking to me the whole time and making sure I was comfortable, and she really just took excellent care of both of us. I really noticed a difference in my skin since the treatments. I think I hadn't noticed how much of a difference until I saw the before and after photo, just how much redness is gone. And along with the treatments, the medical doctor also recommended a prescription for me. So it's just a topical cream that also helps with the rosacea. So I'm going to continue using that at home to kind of tackle the rest of it and see how that goes. Overall, I would say our experience with medical skincare has been so good. It's something that I wish we'd done sooner, and because we're not usually home for extended periods of time, we've never really had the chance, but this has been so great.
If you have any questions about medical skincare in general or our specific clinic, please be sure to leave them in the comments or send us an email. We're more than happy to answer any questions.
If you are in the Vancouver area, we definitely recommend MD Cosmetic. Again, they have 2 locations, one in Port Moody and one in Abbotsford, and the staff there is just incredible. They'll take excellent care of you. If you just want to go in and chat with someone, you can go for a complimentary consultation, let them know your skincare concerns, what you'd like to work on. They can give treatment recommendations, and then you can make a decision from there whether or not you want to move forward.
If you do decide to do any treatments at MD Cosmetic, they've been really generous, and they're giving our audience 20% discount with the code LesSeeTheWorld20.
Hopefully you enjoyed that video talking a bit about our skin journeys, and we can do another video in the future kind of updating where we're at once we've finished everything else that we're doing. And let us know if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed. We put out weekly videos every Friday and sometimes a bonus video on Tuesdays.